let me show you how to connect and pair your DJI Mic Mini to any Android phone. So, for example, I have the Samsung S23 Ultra here and also a Google Pixel, but it works with any Android phone. Also have tried with a bunch of Xiaomi phones, Motorola phones. Again, it works with any Android phone. So absolutely awesome. So, and also this microphone comes into receiver version, so we are going to check on the both. So first, maybe let's start with the small guy. This is like released just a couple of weeks ago. Absolutely love it. So it's way better, for example, for smartphone usage. So you see, first you simply plug this in the Type C, and then when it's blinking, simply also you see you have this button here. So you simply press and hold the power button. So as you see, and it's connected pretty much instantly. So what if you do this and nothing happens? So it keeps blinking and it can't connect. Then what you have to do is, as you see, you have this button here over here, and also another like this repairing button here. On this unit as well, as you see, you have this button here. So what you do is, first on your receiver, you simply press and hold the button for a few seconds. It will blink like this. And then also on this guy, again, this upper button, so press and hold it. It will blink like green plus blue. It will enter this force pairing mode, and you see it successfully repaired. So and then to start using it, so it's already working essentially. So for example, on a Samsung, if you open up the camera app, go in the settings, you see it's already working, or you can set it here essentially as well. Also, we can connect using Bluetooth mode as well, without any receivers as well. But first, let me also show how to do it with this one. Okay, so let's maybe do on a Pixel. No, this one, because the camera app is a bit different. So first, I will actually turn it off. So make sure it's actually turned off. So with this one, it actually doesn't have to be plugged in before it's paired. I suggest you to actually keep it unplugged, so it's better that way for some reason. Yeah, so as you see, I'm simply going to turn it on. First this one, and again also turn on this one. But you will realize that I can't connect at the moment. So you see, it keeps linking. That's because it's previously connected to this one. It's actually searching for this one. So again, I would simply press and hold these buttons. First on this one. It will blink like this, release, and also on this one. Okay. And you see it paired together. So once it's stable, not blinking, that means it's paired. So let's plug it in. Okay. And also this light, once it's actually connected and sending over a signal to the phone, it also will stay still. That's how you can tell if it's like sending over the signal. So in the Pixel camera app, for example, we actually have to, so in the newest Pixels you see it automatically connecting, but yeah, you can also go over here and simply select the wired microphone over here and get used. Then also how to connect using the Bluetooth mode. So as you see, we can simply get rid of this. However, when it comes to negatives, the Bluetooth mode, in my opinion, absolutely suck. So it is what it is. So the audio quality isn't very good. It crackles, so I do not suggest that. But yeah, anyway. So on your microphone, to enter the Bluetooth pairing mode, again, you simply have to press and hold this like resync button, reconnect button. So till it blinks like this, like green plus blue. So we are going to simply go in our Bluetooth settings. Okay, let's wait. So you see it found it here. Okay. Pairing. Yep, allow this request here. And you see it's paired. For the Bluetooth, however, you definitely have to actually go in the camera app, at least for Samsung. So select here. As you see, it's not actually selected. So we have to select the Bluetooth mode on Pixel as well. So again, in the same setting I showed you. So make sure to go over here, and then it's recording. So see, this blue light is still. That means it's working in the Bluetooth mode. And also this mic has a phone app as well. So if you want to install it, simply search for DJI Mimo app. So once you open it, so again, make sure it's plugged in. Yep, and I will show you what you can do there. So essentially on this one, to adjust the gain, again we have to use the app actually, because we do not have actually this like gain adjustment here on this tiny one. But again, so with this one also the app works. So okay, so you simply press this button here. Okay, allow all the access. Again. So if it's searching like this, if it says it's not found, what I suggest you to is simply like exit the app and also remove it as well, and simply plug it back together. Usually it works okay. So yep. Sometimes, yeah, for some reason, but again, in 99% of case it works okay. So that was a good example, yeah, when it failed. So you see it ultimately connected here, so we can change, for example, the mono stereo here, for example, also just the gain here. So again, on this one, so if you actually plug this in the phone, you won't see the gain control here, only if you plug in this small guy, since it doesn't have the gain adjustment. So you see also various other settings, also the noise reduction levels here, and also go over here and also make sure this is also enabled, this excellent feature over here, so not overblow the microphone. Also what I find, you can also like, for example, set the gain, for example, on this one, and then uninstall the app, and it actually will save the setting basically, so you do not have to actually use the app if you basically do not want it. Okay, yeah. Okay, good luck.